racing just is started. We have Heaven Sent. Break quickly at a start. Moving up, No Guts, No Glory. Conquistador, Tayuman, Defiant comes next. Redemption, while Lakay is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Heaven Sent by a length, and on the outside, Tayuman. Down into this, No Guts, No Glory. 3 lengths back in for this Redemption. Defiant, Conquistador, while Lakay now racing and less back to the leader. We have Heaven Sent maintaining a head lead, and on the outside second is Tayuman. 6 lengths back in third is No Guts, No Glory. Redemption, Defiant, Conquistador, while Lakay still racing and less. 0 to 4 turn. We have Heaven Sent and Tayuman still matching their strides together. 6 lengths back in third, Redemption. No Guts, No Glory, Conquistador, Lakay, while Defiant now racing in last as they swing for home. We have Heaven Sent. Tayuman is on the outside second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Heaven Sent this time by about 2 lengths over Tayuman. And finally, it's Heaven Sent. Second is Tayuman. Redemption, Lakay, No Guts, No Glory, Conquistador, and Defiant.
2-5-4-1. Datingan natin, Heaven Sent. Silang dalawa na